Oh my God. How come? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Okay, it's connected, but it's not giving me any kind of sound. I don't know why. Okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to yet again another amazing episode of Pips and Vibes with Mirage Tech Trading Academy, and we're here to look at the market and see what the market has for us. Miss Charlo, thank you so much for coming. Good morning to you. Carol MF, good morning to you too. Let's check them 10. Good morning to you too. Kiongozi, how are you? How are you? I am blessed and highly favored. Good morning. That is none other than Kate. Going to Euro USD. This is who are you trying to ask? It is so offensive when you read somebody's name and it's like, who are you? Rita, hi Rita, how you doing? Damalocks in Akwaje, good morning, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. DM, this is none other than DM saying, good morning, Coach Faith. Good morning to you too. Faith, you sent a message very early in the morning asking if we're going to be having live today. And then you got so excited when I told you yes, and you're like, oh my God, it's gonna happen again. Yes, we're here. And then of course this is him of herself saying good morning, how you doing? I am good. Thank you so much for coming on board loud and clear. This is Kate Curtis, Roho Anashuka from Genzi. Solana, thank you so much for coming. Good morning to you too. Who is VP? It's Shwari. Let me fix it. This is Spiderweb. Spiderweb is going to fix gold for us so that it can go down. It can go down. Good morning, all the way from Dripping Dollar Trading Academy. How you doing? Guys, did you join Dripping Dollar Trading Academy yesterday at 3 p.m. Kenyan time? It was amazing. This lady was spitting signals like fire. She was spitting signals like nobody's business. I can tell you for a fact, it was super amazing. Good morning to you too. Faith, good to have you here. Lista, thank you so much for coming. Wanjiku Ajineke says, hello. My cousin's Haru. Faith. Yes. Good morning, my great Coach Manu, all the way from Banange. Good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. Manu Jit, all the way from Uganda, representing the land of Matoke. Good to have you here. We are super excited to have you here. I hope you are learning. Francisca, thank you so much for coming on board. And then, of course, Carol Kiruthu says, hi. My cousins on YouTube, how you doing? Of course, gold is giving us massive profits already. We are going in. It's going down. It's in profits. It's going down. Ladies and gentlemen, this is happening. Take Profit 1 is at 40.21. And this, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not even going to talk much about it because it's crazy. It's crazy. Yesterday. Give us an entry on GBP JPY. We are going to check it out. I've been having a twitch on my eye, the upper side of my eye, since yesterday. I don't know what's going on. The upper side of my eye has been having a twitch. A twitch like this one. I don't understand. Even right now, I'm still feeling it. Okay, whatever it is, we don't give a about it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you what happened yesterday. Hiyo ni pesa. Makosha. Guys, yesterday I gave you guys an entry on gold here. We took an entry here on gold. The stop loss was somewhere here. And it showed us Pepe for the next, I don't know how many hours, like 6 hours. It was just playing around like this, looking at us and asking us, are you sure we are going to go up? Are you sure? And we were like, what? Ladies and gentlemen, whatever happens, stick to it because the cloud on our Simply Trade AI is below the market. If the cloud on our Simply Trade AI is above the market, just hold that trade. Just hold it. Brown, I'm on live on TikTok. Brown, I'm on live on TikTok, bro. It's going down. Oh, you're going down. Okay, I'll call you back. I'll call you later. All right, bro. So, yesterday I told you when our Simply Trade AI is above the is below it, no, Simply Trade AI's cloud is below the candles and you've taken a buy. The only time you're going to get worried is when Simply Trade AI goes below and we get a golden cross. If it goes below and we don't have a golden cross, you have nothing to worry about. Just stick to it and hold it. Ladies and gentlemen, we did exactly that and take profit 1, 2, and 3. The third take profit was here, and at exactly 328, within 2 minutes, we had hit take profit 1, 2, and 3. For those people who are holding the trade, but for those who got scared and went out, God bless you. See you again on the next one. Okay. Now let's get into business, ladies and gentlemen. We are in the first trade, that is gold, and we are already in how many pips are these? 32 pips in profits right now. I don't know if you guys took it because I had taken it before the live, but when you came in, the market was literally there. It was there. It was just there. The reason as to why I took it, the market dropped. Look at this one here. The market dropped massively. It went back to the cloud, dropped again, went back to the cloud, dropped again, went back to the cloud, dropped again, and when it got here, I took the entry here, then it went back to the cloud, and now it is going down. So that was a hook down for sales. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, that is TP1 coming up. TP1 coming up massively at 40.21. 40.21 is coming up. 40.21 is coming up. Yes, I took it. I know. Kuna wale wenye watakuwa waoga. Alafu kuna watu wa kama, there are people like Dripping Dollar. Dripping Dollar will see it like this and ladies and gentlemen, TP1 for the day has been hit. Sheesh. TP1 for the day is done, ladies and gentlemen. TP1 for the day is done. TP1 for the day is done. Gravity Hub Trading Academy, welcome on board, sir. Coach Simon, the coach. TP1 for the day is done, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at GBP JPY. That was the very first request that was sent out. And GBP JPY, ladies and gentlemen, has been buying massively. We took this entry yesterday for a buy. If you can remember here, we took this entry here for a buy yesterday, and it has bought massively. What are we looking to see? We are looking to see a possible retest and then a push up. We're on the 15 minutes time frame, so we're just going to be a little bit patient for this one. Let me look at 1 hour. What is happening on the 1 hour time frame? Now look at this one here, guys. This is 1 hour time frame, and the 1 hour time frame, we have this zone here. If the market comes to this zone, this is a massive resistance zone. It will literally be getting closer to the cloud on the 1 hour time frame. Once it gets closer to the cloud, it taps on the cloud, and then we get a hook up like this. We are going to take that entry for a buy. But for now, we need to be patient with this market. We need to be patient with it and just wait for it. So GBP JPY is not ready for anything. Let's just be patient. Which other asset did someone ask for up here? Let me see if there's another asset that was asked, that was requested. Euro USD. Euro USD yesterday did exactly as we had said it was going to do. And of course, it gave us some nice profits yesterday together with gold. This was our move yesterday. This is the move that we took. We took the entry here for a buy, just the same way as we had taken the entry for gold. Our stop loss was here, and then it did a small retracement. Then, of course, it blasted all the way up, giving us some very, very nice profits. So Euro USD right now is telling us to wait. We don't have anything to do. We are waiting. You can see the 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. Please, let's be patient and wait for it to confirm, and then we're going to take the entry for sell. So we have taken gold. Let me put that down. We've taken gold. Gold was the very first trade that we've taken today. So the trades from yesterday, only 2 trades hit stop loss out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 12, only 2 hit stop loss. How many people took the BTC? The BTC that we gave out as an entry? BTC, we gave it out as a signal yesterday. How many people took that trade? It blasted so much, I can tell you for a fact. So the first one that we've done is gold for sale, and it has hit TP1 already. It's done. So Euro USD is not ready. Please, let's just be patient with it. Euro USD is not ready. Let's be patient with it. Okay, let me go up a little bit so that we can look at Crash 300s for sales. Somebody's asking for Crash 300 for sales. Crash 300 for sales. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are born to win. 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 Crash 300. Crash 300 for sales. Let me see. Do we have sales on Crash 300? Yes, it is selling on the 15 minutes time frame. But I don't like the fact that we are all mixed up here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to be patient with it. If we get a hook down, from this, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much for the likes. TikTok girl, good morning to you too. Good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. If we get a hook down like this one on Crash 300, then we're going to go in for a sell. Sir, please, I don't understand how buy and sell. Send me a message, Godwin. Send me a message, please. You can get my number. Let me put my number for you on the chat box. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I've just sent my number there. Send me a message on WhatsApp, and then I'm going to take you through. Okay, so this is what we are talking about. When we get a hook down on Crash 300, then we can go in for a sell. Crash 300, then we're going to go in for a sell. That is Crash 300. So we have talked about Crash 300, and then next is okay, Crash 300. We've talked about that one. Volatility 75. Let's look at volatility 75. Guys, listen. I am giving out signals, so many signals. That does not mean that you have to trade everything. Please only trade what you are used to trading. Do not trade everything. Volatility 75, we have an entry for sell. Volatility 75, we have an entry for sell, ladies and gentlemen. We have an entry for sell on volatility 75, and this is looking very good. But I would also, my goodness. Look at this entry. Look at this signal. Look at this signal. It has not done TP1, 2, and 3. Look at that signal. This is a cute signal. And the cloud is below the market. The cloud is below the market. So the only thing that you need to see right now is something very simple. You just need to see a move up a little bit somewhere here, and then a hook down like this. You get a hook down like that, and then that is all you need. You go in, you go in, you go in. You go in, you go in, you go in. So the only thing that you need to understand is that currently this market is sitting on this trend line. We have a signal and it is sitting on that trend line. So you just wait for it to like drop a little bit, just a little bit, to drop a little bit, and then you take your entry for a sell. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to set for you a sell stop, and the price is at, ikitu bana. You don't even need a sell stop. I think you just need to go in aggressively. You don't need even a sell stop with this one. You just need to go in aggressively. But I will play it safe for a little bit. I'm going to set a sell stop. Sell stop at 51531 with my stop loss at the stop loss. I'm going to use the same stop loss as provided by the system, which is 52532, and then we are going to wait for that market to play out. So I have a sell stop at 51531. That is this is volatility 75 index. A sell stop at 51531, and then TP1 51031, TP1 51031, TP2 50530, and then the last TP is going to be at 50089. So we have a sell stop. Let's see if it's going to be plugged in. Okay, another one 75 was this one. Then volatility 10. Volatility 10 is from the one and only Dance Academy Mombasa. Tuko na dansa, bonga la dansa ndani ya nyumba wasi. Tuko na bonga la dansa ndani ya nyumba. So now bwana. Volatility 10. This is what I saw earlier, and the reason as why I placed that trade was because of this hook down. And you see we have a hook down here, and then the market just tried to play out to push up again. So this one is selling. You just need to be very careful with it. Tap. Somebody saying tap kangle Satoshi-san. So volatility 10, we have a drop to the downside. It is looking to sell massively. You have to be very careful with it. As much as we have a sell to the downside, the market is still looking up. So what we want to see is we want to see this market tap onto that cloud and then hook down like this. Then you can go down with it. So we have that one also. This one is also looking good. Rose Wafada, good morning. Good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. Volatility 75 is done. Volatility 10 is done. Step 200. Let's look at step index 200, guys. No, let's look at all the step indices. Step index 200 already has an entry for a sell. Already has an entry for a sell, ladies and gentlemen. This one is going down. It's going down. It's going down. We have an entry for sell, and the dashboard is looking yummy. The dashboard is looking super amazing. I can tell you for a fact, when the dashboard is looking like this, we have no choice but to get into that market. We set and we forget. Stop loss is at 10,341. This is step index plane. Step index plane. We are in for a sell, and stop loss is 10,341. 10,341. 10,341 is your stop loss. Take profit 1 is 10,295. 10,295 is take profit 1. Take profit 2, 10,280. 10,280. Take profit 3 is the last one here, which is going to be 10,243. Ladies and gentlemen, your only responsibility is to ensure that you are tapping on the screen. You are tapping on the screen. You're tapping on the screen. Yes, I'm talking about, this is the first step index. I said we're going to look at all the step indices. So we're starting with the first one, and then we go to step index 200. So this is step index plane. So we should be expecting a small retest somewhere here and then push to the downside, right? But we are in aggressively because the candles are below. The candles are below. The candles are below the cloud, and we have an entry for a sell as provided by our Simply Trade AI. You can see we have monochrome red on the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and 15 minutes time frame, and of course we have monochrome green from the 30 minutes going down to the daily time frame. So this, ladies and gentlemen, should give us a nice move to the downside. Remember, you are only setting the trade and you are only risking what you're willing to lose. Stop loss is 10,341. Stop loss is 10,341. That is step index plane. Step index. Oh, sorry. This is step index 200, please. This is step index 200. Thank you so much. Now I've got you. Doris Wambui, thank you so much. This is step index 200, ladies and gentlemen. Step index 200. Now we're going to go to step index plane. Thank you so much for that. Step index plane. Step index plane is not ready. It is not ready. We are waiting. Step index plane is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. And we are going to do exactly that. We are going to wait until it confirms. So we are just waiting for this candle to close below this zone. Once it closes below this zone, we are going to get a signal for sell on the 15 minutes time frame. So we are waiting for it. On step index plane, we are waiting for it. Step index 200, we are in for a sell. Step index 200, we are in for a sell. Okay? Step index 200, we are in for a sell. Which other one is this? Step index 200. Okay, jump 10. Let's look at jump 10. Is that the only one we have up here? Euro USD, we said we are waiting for it. Jump index, jump 10. Wait. Guys, let me just do this. Let me finish up with all the indices because I know somebody is going to ask. Step index 300, what do we do? Step index 300 is on overbought condition. If the dashboard is all green and the daily time frame is over 70, this market has bought massively. So we're going to wait for it to start selling and then we go in for sell. So right now we are going to be patient. We jump our step index 300. It is on overbought. We are waiting for it to start selling. right? And then we have this. This is step index 400. Step index 400 gave us an entry for a sell. It gave us an entry for a sell, and the sell has already done TP1 and TP2, and it has given us a retest, and now we have a hook down. Now that we have a hook down, ladies and gentlemen, it should be going down for sells. It should be going down for sells. We have a hook down, it's going down for sells. Step index 400 is going down for sells. We have a hook down. Step index 400 is going down for a sell. We have a hook down. It's going down for sells. We have a hook down, ladies and gentlemen. TP1 8222. 8222 is TP1. This is more of scalping. 8222 is TP1. And then 8222 is TP1, 8212 is TP2, 8212 is TP2, and then 8193 is TP3. So TP1 is 8222, it is more of scalping. 8222 is TP1, TP2 8212, TP3 8193. This is more of scalping. This is step index 400. Okay, step index 400 has given us a hook down. It's going down. It's going down. Okay, and then step index 500. There's a massive retracement to the upside. We have a buy on the 1 minute time frame. 5 minutes time frame is telling us to wait, while the 15 minutes time frame has given us a sell. So we are sticking to the 15 minutes time frame unless we get a confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame for buys. We are going to be sticking to the sell. So what do we do right now? The market is looking up like this. We need a hook down. We need a hook down for us to go down. We need a hook down for us to go down. So we're going to come back to step index 500. Right now, there's nothing we can do with it. Somebody's asking about gold. Gold has already given us TP1. We have already hit TP1 on gold. We have already hit TP1 on gold, and it is heading towards TP2. We have already done TP1 on gold, and it's heading towards TP2. Jump 10, let's go to jump 10, ladies and gentlemen. Please bear with me, because I need to ensure that everybody has been solved. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is looking so good. Jump 10 is going all the way to the sky, ladies and gentlemen. It is going all the way to the sky, ladies and gentlemen. Jump 10 index is looking good. So what you need to do here right now, ladies and gentlemen, is get a small hook down, let it retest, and then get a hook up. Once you get a hook up like this on the cloud, then you're going to take the entry for buys, because this one right now is very far from the cloud, and if you take it here, then expect a retracement. Okay, expect a retracement. If it was somewhere between TP1 and 2, we would go in aggressively, but because it is way past TP3 on the 15 minutes time frame, we need to see a small retest back to the cloud and then get a hook up. Once we get a hook up, then we're going to go in for longs. We're going to go in for longs, and that is on jump 10 index. This is looking very good. I love the fact that it's fresh. Okay. This is very good, guys. This is very good. So we just wait for it to, let me write it down. We need to wait for it to give us something to work with. We need to wait for it. This is beautiful. I don't know, man, but this is beautiful. It just need to do a small retest, then get a hook up. Once we get a hook up, we're going in for a buy. So jump 10, we are waiting for it. We are waiting for it. We are waiting for it. Jump 10, we are waiting for it. Okay, BTC. Guys, I hope you have understood. I hope you have understood. Step index plane is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Step index plane is telling us to wait, so we are going to wait. Okay? Step index plane is telling us to wait, so we are going to wait. Step index plane is telling us to wait, we are going to wait. Step index 200. Step index 200 gave us a hook down, so we are on an entry for a sell on step index 200. The cloud is below the market. We have a hook down, so we are going to hold that trade. Remember, you are only risking what you're willing to lose. Step index 200, we are on a sell. Step index 300. Step Index 300 has overbought massively, and we are going to wait for this market to start selling from the 1 minute time frame. By the time it hits the 15 minutes time frame, we're going to go in for sales, because on the daily time frame is already on overbought. So that means you should be waiting for it to start selling. And if you have $100, do not touch Step Index 300, do not touch Step Index 400, do not touch Step Index 500, because if it retraces on you, you are going to cry. Okay, so this is Step Index 300. Step Index 400. Step Index 400, we are already in massive profits, guys. We took an entry for a sell. It's already going down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just wait for it to at least give us take profit 1, and then we see if we can hold for the rest. So remember, this is Step Index 400. We took an entry for a sell, and it's heading towards our... Somebody is asking, what is TP2 for gold? TP2 for gold is 40.14. 40.14 is TP2, and then 40.14 is TP2, and then 40.07 is TP3. 40.07 is TP3. Already we have done TP1, so make sure if you are taking it, please make sure you set break even, because TP1 is already hit. Once TP1 is hit, make sure you set break even, okay? So Step Index, we have given out those. Let me see. Somebody was asking about GBP USD. Yeah, we are trading Forex. We are trading Forex. Forex trading. BTC, somebody asked about BTC. Let's look at BTC, then look at GBP USD. BTC yesterday was yummy, ladies and gentlemen. How many people took this entry yesterday? Only one person came to me and told me, I have taken BTC, and this was none other than MK Hasseref, the CEO and founder of Dripping Dollar Forex Academy. Come on, let's go. Building wealth a dollar at a time. So this is what we took yesterday, and it behaves exactly the same way as gold behaved yesterday. So now it is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. What are we going to do? We are going to wait. So BTC, please wait. BTC, please wait. GBP USD. For GBP USD, this is what we took yesterday. Look at this, guys. This is what we did yesterday on GBP USD. We took the entry here, and the last TP was here. Look at how close it got to the last TP. Look at how it got close to the last TP. TP 1, 2, 3, and 4. It did not hit TP 4, but it got so close to it. So that was yesterday. Right now, it is telling us to wait, so we are going to wait. It's telling us to wait. Ladies and gentlemen, all this is happening courtesy of this Simply Trade AI. It is an AI scanner that is going to help you to see the market very fast before spending hours understanding what you're supposed to be doing. This system is going to help you to see the market so fast. Like you get in like this and you're like, okay, so I'm supposed to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. You see, we didn't even spend time on GBP USD. The 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait. So we are going to wait. Somebody's saying check USD, XAU USD. We have done that already, but I'm going to check it for you. Jump 10, German 40. German 40. By the way, it's only Martha who trades German 40. She's the only person who always requests for German 40. Now, how is it written? How is it written now? German 40, it's only Martha who trades German 40. So let's look at German 40 for her. Oh, wow. This one has sold massively. It has been selling. It has sold so massively. So what you need to do here, Martha, is change this to line graph. Change it to line graph and then get a hook up and hook down. Once you get a retest close to the cloud, and then you get a hook down like this, you go in for sales. Okay, so you wait for the market to get closer to the cloud. Once you get it, and then now you place your sell for, you place your order for sell when you get a hook down. Okay, who else, guys? I have seen some other, there was one here. GBP USD, we have done that already. It's telling us to wait. I saw another one. BTC, we have looked at it. Dripping dollar. NZD USD, yes. NZD-USD, let's look at NZD-USD. NZD-USD is consolidating, guys. It is doing a lot of consolidation. You can see what is happening there. There's a lot of consolidation happening, and it's consolidating on the upper side of the market. It's consolidating on the upper side of the cloud. So that basically means it is forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay? Higher lows, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Data analysts, I don't understand what you're saying. So this one we have to wait. It has already overbought. It has bought massively. We have a hook up, but I don't like the fact that it has no direction because it is consolidated. So with NZD-USD, you have to be very careful with it. 400 hit TP1. Come on, let's go. Eurocard. Imagine nowadays we don't even go back and check if TP has been hit or not. We continue with the other things because we are busy. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the kind of confidence you're going to have if you're using SimplyTrade AI for trading. I'm telling you. You know, you just place and forget. You do other things. You continue with other things. You know, it's so beautiful. It is so yummy. It is so... This is Eurocard, ladies and gentlemen. Eurocard is selling massively. You can see here. This is actually on the lower side of the market. See, that's on the lower side of the market. We've gotten a signal here. What you need to do is wait for it to create a new low. Then it comes back to the cloud, and then you take it for a sell, for a continuation. That is what you need. You just, you know, when you're using SimplyTrade AI, you don't have... No, in fact, sometimes you can place the trade and then you close your eyes. When you open like this, TP has been hit. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in this SimplyTrade AI, please just send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. Let me hook you up to this amazing tool. You can imagine, we took this entry here, TP1 has already been hit, and we have nothing. We are not even showing off, by the way. We are not. We are being humble. Look at how it is dropping down to TP2. We are being extremely humble right now, and you are here and you're struggling with trading, and we have such a beautiful, wonderful tool that is going to cut off 10 years of... I'm not even going to tell you again, by the way. I'm not. Step index 500, 400. We took a sell, and there it is. TP1 has been hit. Who is ready for TP2? Which other asset did we take? So step index 400, sell, TP1 is hit. Step index 200. What is happening on 200? 200 is doing a retest. 200 is doing what I told you it was going to do. Are you seeing that? We pushed it up like that, and then it goes down. So we are going to be patient with this. Euro JPY. Let's look at Euro JPY. Please, if you have any kind of asset you want us to look at, just let us know, and we're going to check it out for you, because we are here to assist each other with this amazing tool. Now, listen to me carefully. For those people who are trading Euro JPY, boom, 150, I'm coming, crash 150, I'm coming. For those people who are trading Euro JPY, do you know what we're waiting for? We're just waiting for this 15 to tell us to sell. That's the only thing we are waiting for. We get a sell on 15 minutes time frame. That is the official break of structure. No, please, no, not break of structure. The official change of character used by institutions. Once we get it there, then that is it. We are going to take that entry for sell, and we are going to target these lows here. So Euro JPY, let me write it down for you. We are going to wait for it to come. Jump 10. What is happening on Jump 10? Jump 10 index. Oh, Jump 10 index, we said we wait for it to do a small retest. It is coming back. Let's wait for it to do a small retest, and then we are going to go in with it. Let's wait for it. Okay. Crash 300. Boom 150. Sorry, boom 150 had been requested quite a while ago. Sorry guys. Sorry. Boom 150 and crash 150. Boom 150 is not ready. It is not ready. It has overbought on the daily time frame. It is going down. So now what we need to wait for is a confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame. We get the confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame for sales. We are going down, okay? What else? Boom 150, GBP USD, Crash 300. Let's start with Crash 300 before we go to GBP USD. Crash 300, we said we are waiting for it to form a hook down. It has not given us a hook down, so we are out. We are not getting that entry until we get a hook down. We don't have a hook down yet. My coach, the coach of all coaches has arrived. The mentor of all mentors has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only, Her Excellence Immaculate Madahana, who has just graced our live. You imagine when you're on the live and you're using a tool and the person who coded the tool is on the live. Ladies and gentlemen, give me some fire emojis and some love on the chat box, because if it were not for this lady today, we would not have hit take profit on any asset. We would not have taken. In fact, we would be like, hey, sasa, tunaanzia wapi hapa? Where is this market going to? But courtesy of this ladies and gentlemen, kukaingia. Excellency, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are super proud. We are super excited to have you here. And don't mind my laughter, please. I am excited. I am making money with Simply Trade AI. Don't worry about it. I am making money. Trend line. So it's true, by the way. Before you finish drawing your trend line, the market is gone, done and dusted, and you're like, oh, yeah. But here we are being. Let me not say. This is GBP USD. I told you with GBP USD you have to wait. Please wait for it. It is telling you to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Wait. It is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Let's wait. That's it. Euro USD is also telling us to do the same thing. It is telling us to wait. See? It is telling us to wait. Let's do that. Let's obey. Wait. Kaito. What is Kaito? Let me look. Do we have something called Kaito? Is it Kaito USDT? Okay. Here it is. Kaito USDT perpetual. Kaito USDT perpetual. Kaito USDT Paps Marvel. It's not coming. I don't know why it's not coming. Kaito doesn't want to be seen. It's still loading. Right? Kindly check CHF JPY, brother. Okay, I'll do that for you. It's almost dropping. If you hear the CEO and founder of Simply Trade AI is telling you it's almost dropping, and it is in capital letters. Get ready. Get ready. Because that is going to drop until it can't drop no more. Look at this one. This is Kaito, guys. This is Kaito. The CEO and founder of Simply Trade AI has just told us it's almost dropping. Okay? So let's wait for it. Ladies and gentlemen, so far we have hit 2 take profits. Let's wait for it. XAU USD. Somebody's asking about XAU USD. We took XAU USD and did take profit 1. This is not for the faint-hearted, by the way. Guys, if you don't have any thick skin, leave alone gold. Gold, leave it alone. With gold, you need a very thick skin. So Kaito is almost coming up. Kaito is almost dropping, guys. There it is. It is getting ready. It's telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. Once we get a confirmation on the 15 minutes time frame, do you know where we're going to target? We are going to target this zone here. That's where we're going to target. You can imagine the kind of moolah that is going to give us. So let's wait for it. Step 500. Did we take an entry on step 500? Okay. Now listen. Step 500 is giving us a hook down from the cloud. My cousins from Simply Trade AI classes, hi. My cousins from Simply Trade AI, hi. My cousins from Simply Trade AI, hi. When you see that happening, ladies and gentlemen, you know it's about to go down. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Volatility 25, volatility 25, volatility 25. We're just waiting for that candle to close. Volatility 25. Step index 500 is going down, guys. It's going down. Volatility 25. Let's look at volatility 25. Oh my goodness. Look at what happened yesterday with volatility 25. I want to show you what happened. Look at this. Are you seeing this? And then look at the TPs. Are you seeing that? This was yesterday. This was yesterday. It hit a stop loss here and then went to TP 1, 2, and 3. You see that? And we thank God because we were right. It's only that the market decided to do a little bit of a consolidation. This one is still dropping. It is still dropping massively. The daily time frame is on 42. Somebody's asking, is Kaito traded on Deriv? No, it is traded on Binance or any other exchange. It's crypto. Okay, so look at this one here. It's going down. It's going down. Volatility 25 is looking to sell. And we still have more room for sales on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. So that one is a good one. Yeah, we still have so much room. Look at this. This is 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. We still have so much room, guys. We still have so much room for sales. It's going down. Volatility 25 is going down, ladies and gentlemen. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Okay. What's popping? What's popping? What's popping? Which other asset do you want me to look at? Boom. We looked at Boom 150. Was it Boom 150 or Crash 150? Boom 150. Oh wow, Boom 150 has bought massively and we are looking to start selling. We are looking to start selling. Look at that buy on Boom 150, guys. That is super amazing. Gen Z is selling. It's going down. So, Boom 150, we are waiting for it. It's telling us it has started selling on the 1 minute time frame. We are waiting for it to sell on the 5 minutes. By the time it hits on the 15 minutes time frame, we're going to go in for sales. But again, remember, for me, I always tell people this. If you're trading Boom, look for buys only. If you're trading Crash, look for sales only. That's what I normally do. Volatility 75. Volatility 75. Did we take an entry on Volatility 75? Did we take an entry? Volatility 75. It's going down. It's going up. Did we take an entry on Volatility 75? Ah, okay. Seems like we did. Wait. No, it was a sell limit. Sell stop. It was a sell stop on Volatility 75. It has not been tapped in yet. It was a sell stop on Volatility 75. It has not been tapped in yet. Remember, the sell stop was here. This is where the sell stop was. So it was supposed to go down, tap on the sell stop, and then continue going. But it has not done that. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait. We have a sell stop on 75. Volatility 75 was a sell stop. It was a sell stop. It has not been tapped in. You can see here. We wanted it to push up, then it goes down, and then pick our trade, continue going with it. But it has not done that. On Boom and Crash, if you're trading Boom, only look for buys. If you're trading Crash, only look for sells. Don't buy when you're trading, what is it? Evo. Did you get it? If you're trading Boom, only look for buys, don't sell. If you're trading Crash, only sell, don't buy. Volatility 751S. Volatility 751S. So we have an entry on Volatility 751S. Let me show you something here, guys. Let me show you something that is going to be super amazing. So now, this one gave us an entry for a buy. It did take profit 1, 2, and 3, and now it is doing a retracement. So what you want to see, is this hook get out of the cloud like that. If it gets out of the cloud like that, you take a buy with your stop loss somewhere below here, and you target the highs. This is Volatility 75. So you just wait for it to get out of that hook, of that cloud, to the upside. Once it gets out of that cloud to the upside, you take an entry for a buy. Your very first target is the previous high, which is here. That's your very first target. And then the next targets, you can target as high as those areas there, like that. Wow. You are calling me and I'm on live. I will not pick. Okay? So this is what you want to see. You want to see this market get out of that cloud. And then once it gets out of that cloud, your very first target can be this high. So wait for it to go out. Skew step index 5 up. Skew, what is that? Skew step index 5 up. Is that a skew step? I didn't even know this exists. I didn't even know this exists. Excuse, kidogo ikuwe skew ni. Skew step index 5 up. This one is selling massively and it has just given us a hook down. It is selling massively, it has just given us a hook down. So this should be continuing to go to the downside, should be dropping to the downside. This one should be dropping to the downside. It has given us a hook down, but be very careful because it has sold all the way to the 4-hour time frame. So with such kind of move, you normally have to be very careful with it. So it is selling, it is going down. The person who is trading this, you should be looking for sales for a continuation to the downside. 254 candy floss. Hii ulitoa wapi? USDJPY. Step index has just confirmed. Okay, let's look at USDJPY as we go to step index. USDJPY. USDJPY has given us an entry for a buy. And this buy, ladies and gentlemen, was courtesy of a retest. Courtesy of a retest, and now we have an entry for buy. USDJPY is going up. It's going up massively. It's buying, it's buying, it's buying massively. USDJPY is buying. USDJPY is buying massively. We're going to target this high as our TP. USDJPY is buying massively. TP1 is 162.32. 162.32 is TP1. TP2 162.40. 162.32 is TP1. 162.40 is TP2. And then TP3 162.48. Then the last TP is going to be this high, 162.6. USDJPY is buying massively, guys. We are going up. It's going up. It's going up. TP1 is obviously the previous high, 162.32. USDJPY is buying. Okay. Jump 25. Let's look at Jump 25, guys. Jump 20. If you're interested in this AI scanner, the only thing you need to do is send me a message. My number is on bio. Click on the link on my bio and then send me a message. Send me a message. Let's get you hooked up. Now look at this one here. This is Jump 10. Jump 10, Jump 25 had given us an entry for our buy. We got our TP1 was hit and then the market did a retracement. So now it is looking down. What do you need to do? You need to wait for it to look up, get above the cloud and then go in for buys. You wait for it to go up, get above the cloud again and then go in for buys. Continue looking for entry. Step index. Step index is going down. Step index is selling, guys. Step index plane is selling. Step index plane is selling. Step index plane is selling. Look at how many people took the entry from here. Did you take it from here or you just took it here on the hook down? Step index is going down, guys. Step index is going down. Step index is going down. TP1 7893. TP1 is 7893. That is your TP1. TP2 7886. 7886 is your TP2. TP1 7893. And then of course TP3 is 7880. 7880 with your stop loss at 7916. 7916. That is step index. Let's go. Step index is selling. Euro JPY. Somebody had requested for Euro JPY. Volatility 10, last TP.
Watch the market evolve in real time. Use our suite of advanced
Guys, if you're interested in this, do you know, like, honestly speaking, let me tell you something, guys.
patterns and reveal
Euro JPY is not ready. It is telling us to wait, so we're going to wait. Let me tell you something, guys. This is the beauty of this system. If you are a trader and you have a community of traders that you are guiding, once you get this system, it's going to be very easy because you can be teaching them and giving them signals from this system. It's going to be very easy for you. Because you can imagine getting into this market and you don't have to worry about drawing lines, finding support and resistance, doing all those things because everything is out in the plane already. Yeah? So this is exactly what I'm telling you. You just need to understand and then take it up. Volatility 10. So if you're interested in this AI scanner, please go ahead and send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio. There it is. There it is. There it is. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Did you take the entry, guys? Step index 200 imefanya nini? Imeamua kwenda juu. Wacha iende mahali kwenye nataka kwenda. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let it do whatever it wants to do. You see, we had said we want it to go up, then hook down. Once it hooks down, then let it just do. Let it just do whatever it wants to do. Listen, I'm going to tell you this. The only time we are going to be worried, about this one is if it crosses above, and gives us a signal for the opposite side. That is the only time we're going to be worried. Before that, leave it alone to do whatever it wants to do. Oversold and overbought is hooked out. Overbought and oversold is hooked. Oh, sorry, you are not even seeing this. So I was saying, so long as the market is below the cloud, let it do whatever it wants to do. The only time we are going to be worried is when it crosses above and gives us a hook up for the opposite direction. That's the only time we're going to be worried. Before then, just wait for it. Just wait for it, okay? So this is step index 200. We have taken a sell on that one. Volatility 10, clear now. Somebody's asking if it is clear now. But we have just talked about volatility 10 right now, guys. We have just talked about volatility 10 right now. And we said it is clear. It is going down. It is going down, down, down. There's our TP1. Of course, you guys, I don't know if I need to be telling you this. When you get your entry up here, your first take profit is always the most recent low. That's your first take profit. So take profit 1 is 47.89. That was your take profit 1. Wait, did you take this right? I didn't even write it down. That is always your take profit 1, and then take profit 2 is 47.83. 47.83 is your take profit 2. So this one is volatility 10. 10 index for sell. It's going down. So TP1 is going to be hit at 47.89. That's going to be your TP1 because it's always the previous low. That's it. Which entry? The entry was up here. See this? Was up here. It went up, hooked down, and now we're going down with it. 75 and 51S. 75 and 51S. Volatility 75 and 51S. 75 and 50. 751S is this one. I told you with 751S we wait for it to cross above, get out of the cloud, pushing up. You see this arrow here? I told you to wait for it to do that. Once it gets out of this, then you're going to take your entry slightly above here, targeting the highs. So that one, you're going to go all the way up. Volatility 51S, let's look at it. 51S, let's look at it. Guys, this one is gone. This one has bought massively, so massively, guys. It has bought so massively, so we wait for it to hook down, wait for retest, then we're going to go in for buys. 25 plane in a consolidation, volatility 25 plane. 25 plain. Guys, I am getting notification that nothing is happening on my live. Now I'm being told it's going to be closed in the next few minutes. Whoa, let's get what. So please tap on the screen for me. Thank you. TikTok does not even understand that we are dripping dollars right now. We are dripping dollars. We are dripping dollars. We are dripping dollars. Sakush is asking for an entry. For which asset? Which asset do you want me to give you an entry? Which asset? Which asset? 251S is going down. It's going down. You can see that, like, ladies and gentlemen. It's going down. It's going down. Crypto sir, which asset? Which one? Specify the one that you want. Crypto, which one? Which crypto? Do you want BTC? Do you want which one? Ethereum versus US? Which one? Ethereum versus what? Somebody's asking for Nasdaq. Nasdaq is NAS 100, right? NAS 100 is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. We are waiting for that. Ethereum versus USDT. Okay, let's look at that. ETH/USD. Ethereum versus US dollar. Ethereum versus US dollar is now consolidating. It is telling you to wait. You see, it is telling you to wait here because it is consolidating. Okay? Once we get a confirmation of the 15 minutes time frame for either a buy or a sell, we are going to check the entry. Right now, it is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame. So we're going to do exactly that. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be. You see, I didn't have to spend 1 hour on it. I already know what is happening on the market. That is why it is very important for you to get yourself this AI scan. It is very important. Mustard person is asking for jump 100. BTC is also doing the same thing as Ethereum is doing. It is telling us to wait on the 15 minutes time frame because it is consolidating. We wait. There it is, BTC. We wait. This AI scanner, you just wait for, you open your eyes like this, and then you see everything. Jump 100. Jump 100. Okay, let's look at Jump 100. Jump 100 is buying. Jump 100. How much is the AI scanner? This AI scanner goes for $299. Lifetime access. You buy it once, you have it for the rest of your life. That is between now and 20th of August. After 20th of August, it's going to be $209 per year, $499 lifetime. So if you were me, if I were you, you would buy it now. If you want it, click on the link on my bio, get my number, my WhatsApp number. Send me a direct. In fact, I've given you the opportunity to own my number. Do you know how privileged you are? Cute girl. Thank you so much for the follow, guys. If you're new here, please go ahead and follow me because we do this every single day. Now, Jump 100. This market is massively buying. We have a hook up that should tell you what. Once we get a confirmation for the push up, then we're going to continue with the buys. We're going to continue with the buys. Okay? Gold did take profit 1, went towards take profit 2, and now it is retracing. We have already hit take profit 1 on gold. For those who are trading gold, you already know how we do it. We did take profit 1 here, went towards take profit 2, but now it did not close. So the beauty is that we are on break even. The person who was asking about step index, plain, there it is. There it is. It's coming down. It's coming. GBP USD and Euro USD. This is GBP USD. It is telling us to wait. Please be patient. GBP USD and Euro USD is still telling us to wait on 15 minutes time frame. Please be patient. Let's wait for it. We should not be in a hurry to lose money, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this one. Look at this one. This is GBP USD. GBP USD is going to give us a very nice entry for a sell. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
You can keep switching IP addresses. One gets blocked, try another one.
A good entry for sale. I'm telling you.
I made a video on.
Let's just be patient with it. We are going to get a very good entry. Guys, if you're here and you're interested in this AI scanner, if you want to stop guessing NZD-USD, if you want to stop guessing in the market, get my number on my WhatsApp or get my number on my bio. Where online forex trader, talk hapa. Online forex trader, let me tell you something. Gone are the days when people used to follow signals, blindly from Telegram. Get out of Telegram, bro. What are you doing there? Come and trade live with people like us and see how it is done. Come, we trade live here using amazing scanners. You're telling us to come to Telegram and then you send a signal. We don't even know where you got them from. No, we are past that. We are past that, bro. We are past that. We are doing it here live. Here, at least here we can see where the signal is coming from, and we can also allow people to own this system so that they can trade for themselves and get the scanner for themselves. You are telling us to come to Telegram. You give us signal. We don't even know where you are getting them from. Maybe you are getting them from another Telegram group, and then you want us to come to you. No, we can't. We are not coming. We are not. We are tired. We are tired. I was in 1,000 groups before, and then only to realize that the person I paid to give me signals is getting the signals from another trader that I was also in the group. So we are sorry, we are not coming. We have decided, we have Step 200, what is happening on step 200? Let it do whatever it wants to do, guys. Let it do whatever it wants to do. If it wants to go up, let it go. Don Michael, we are not coming. We are not coming. You see, guys, let me tell you something. We have done all the mistakes in the world. We have done them all. We have been through everything. We have done it all. You imagine you we are not boarding. No, we are not. We are not coming. Paul, like you said. We're definitely not coming. Yes, we are not. We want somewhere where we know where the signals are coming from. If the market is telling us to sell, at least we can see it is telling us to sell. But you want to send us signal only to realize that the signals are coming from another Telegram channel. Not here, please. Guys, let's wait and see. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let step index just do whatever it wants to do. Okay, let it do whatever it wants to do. This other one is also retracing. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Let it do whatever it wants to do. We are patient. We are patient, guys. We are patient. Step index 300. We said we wait for it to start selling, and then okay. Ladies and gentlemen, for those who took step index 400, TP1, 2, and 3 has been hit. Hatutaki wachawi. Ladies and gentlemen, TP1, 2, and 3 on step index 400. When you see that, you already know it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. TP123 has been hit, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to each and every one of you who took that entry. So at least 1, 2, and 3 is done. Okay, so step index 200 and step index plane are retracing right now. Let them do whatever they want to do. We are waiting for confirmation. GBP USD is getting ready. So let's wait for it to get ready. Guys, we are waiting for GBP USD. And my time is gone. My time is gone. Ladies and gentlemen, I have some information for you. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is when the training for the members, with AI scanner, with the AI scanner is happening today. Cute girl, I have to go, man. I can't be here the whole day. I got some stuff to do. Listen, today is when the training for the people who own the AI scanner is being done. So if you're here and you want to attend those trainings, please send me a message. We have a nice Zoom send me a message on my WhatsApp. My number is on bio, and then we are going to help you to when you send signals, I'm telling you, this CEO of ours is one and only. Like it's one in a million. She's one in a million. You imagine she coming to our live and then taking entries with her students and being proud, posting the same signals that have been sent in the main groups. I am feeling so humble right now. Sijui kama nianze kuringa ama niwache. Niringe ama niwache. Thank you so much, Excellency. This has been amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in this AI scanner, please send me a message. My number is on bio. Send me a message. My number is on bio. Send me a message. My number is on bio. And then we are going to connect again. Listen, she's saying I no longer think. We do it again at 3 p.m. with the one and only Dripping Dollar. Ladies and gentlemen, at 3 p.m. we're going to be joining the live for Dripping Dollar. If you have not followed her, make sure you follow her because she's coming up at 3 p.m. to do exactly what I do. Bring some amazing vibes and also pick trades with us. Of course, Dripping Dollar Trading Academy is just getting started. Come on, let's go. You know, I can't wait for 2 months from now. I can't wait for 2 months from 2 months. No. 2 months is too much. I can't wait for 90. No. How many days? 3 weeks. I can't wait for 3 weeks from now. What is going to happen with Dripping Dollar? Dripping Dollar is going to be calling shots. In fact, there are times I'll be saying, no, I am not opening my live this morning. Let's wait for Dripping Dollar at 3 p.m. And then we join the live at 3 p.m. and we massacre the market with Dripping Dollar. Right now, I'm also getting ready to stop thinking, just the same way as my coach stopped thinking. Dripping Dollar, ladies and gentlemen, at exactly 3 p.m. And of course, Graffiti Hub Academy is also getting ready for some amazing lives. Let me tell you something. When you hear about My Forex Hub Academy, when you hear about Mirage Tech Trading Academy, when you hear about Graffiti Hub Trading Academy, when you hear about Dripping Dollar Trading Hub, Dripping Dollar Forex Academy, just know they are all under one umbrella and all of us are using the same strategy, the same tool to call shots. And you can imagine, right now, we have a team of over 200 profitable traders. And we are on a mission to hit 10,000 profitable traders by the end of this year. The question is, are you going to be one of us? How do you become one of us? Send me a message and let's get you on board. That is as simple as it is. Just right now, we already have over 200 profitable traders who are looking at the market like this and they are massacring the market from morning to evening without thinking twice. And what do? They just open the market like this. They open their trading view like this and they sit and watch like this. 15 minutes time frame has told us sell, we are selling. 15 minutes time frame has told us to wait, we are waiting. 15 minutes time frame has told us to buy, we buy. If it doesn't do that, we don't have a trade. As simple as that. And we have done that consistently for the last 1 month, 1.5 months, if I'm not wrong. And it's super amazing. I can tell you for a fact it's super amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. Stay safe. Remember, protecting your account is number 1. Making money is number 2. Always use a stop loss. Always use a stop loss. Always use a stop loss. Let's connect again at 3 p.m. courtesy of Dripping Dollar Trading Academy. And if you're new to Forex trading and you are interested in classes, the beginner classes from A to Z. This is GBP USD. We are on GBP USD right now. You're interested in classes, please go ahead and send me a message. We're going to hook you up to Graffiti Hub Academy, which is enrolling right now. All right, so then hook me up. Let's make it happen, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you and see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. See you. The link is coming to the group from Dripping Dollar. Dripping Dollar, the link is coming to the group, guys. God bless you. Stay safe and catch up on the next one. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Bigger every day. It's getting bigger every day. Break even has been hit on gold. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you, let it do whatever it wants to do. Step index 100 is one to play around, let it play. Step index 200 wants to go and hit stop loss, let it go. Don't be worried about it. Let it do whatever it wants to do. So long as you are risking what you're willing to lose, you have nothing to worry about. And this is what I always tell you. Bye-bye.